Hello there, my friends, and welcome. You've heard the buzz that digital marketing is the new gold mine, but is it really as profitable as people say it is? Well, if this is what on your mind, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have some exciting bonuses for you. In this video, I'm going to break down for you exactly what digital marketing is, why it's actually good for you to go into digital marketing as a beginner, and the different types of digital marketing you can go to, and actually share with you some real life proof of the type of money that you can make as a digital marketer. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck, not being able to. I felt like I had an expensive hobby with my businesses because they were costing me more than I was earning. And it was not until I actually made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online, things started to change for me. So I'm here to share with you exactly what the potential that's there for you if you want to get into the digital marketing space. But what is digital marketing? It's all about promoting your product or service online, okay? And there's different types of digital marketing you could get into. You could go to search engine optimization, you could do social media marketing, you could do content marketing, email marketing. You could do classified ads, paid ads. You could do chatbots, AI. There's different ways that you can reach your target audience on 2024. And what I love about the digital marketing industry, if you want to get into it as a beginner, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, because Forbes in 2024 published an article saying it was the fastest, digital marketing was the fastest growing career in 2024, and it projected digital marketing to be a $1.5 trillion industry in just 5 years by 2030. So you're definitely in the right place at the right time. And one of the benefits for you is there's low startup costs. If you can get started with as long as you have a device, as long as you have the internet and you have the time to commit to actually learning. And it's in high demand because in 2024 there's so many, everybody, there's so much opportunity out there for you to actually help businesses market their services. And you could actually go so many different routes with it. You could actually get a job and get paid a salary as a digital marketer, specialize in one particular field, or you could do freelancing on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, where you could offer your services in the marketplace and buyers could find you there. And the third option is you could actually start your very own digital marketing business and learn the skills to build your business and use those skills to brand you, right? To sell products, digital products, physical products, and get paid for your efforts, right? So it's very scalable, it's very broad, it's up to you. You're only limited by your imagination. So if you're wondering if it's profitable, I want to share with you, if you decide that, okay, you want to actually go into business for yourself, learn digital marketing skills that are in high demand, and then use those skills to build your own business. I'm part of a live interactive coaching and mentorship program that's teaching me high income skills. So I want to share with you the type of wins that we have in a community, just to give you an idea of how much you could actually earn as a digital marketer. So here, 2 hours ago, Jeremiah just said he made his first $900 today. Feeling so happy to have made my first $900. Congratulations, Jeremiah. I'm just going to look for financial rewards because there's different types of wins that people share. Alana said she made $1,400 in 48 hours, and all glory to the Most High. She got 4 new moms to join her business. Willem got $100 ding, a business that can earn while you sleep, which is like, whoa, congratulations to her. Stephanie, 8 hours ago, made 1,800 in 24 hours. She made 2 legacy sales from Facebook, right? She's saying God is good. Congratulations. Marsha, 21 hours ago, said she made $300 while talking to her sister, right? That's absolutely amazing. Imagine how that conversation went. Jerome, 6 hours ago, said he made 1,800 in 24 hours. And he's thanking his sponsor. Let me see. Sarah, 2 days ago, she's 23 days in. She's got 400 leads and she's earned 8,500 so far, right? Congratulations, $8,000, 500 in 23 days is absolutely amazing. And Karen hit 100,000. Let's see, John February, she's made 100,000 in less than 11 months, right? Less than a year, she's hit 100,000. So we have this proven step-by-step blueprint that actually has live interactive weekly live. I'm just going to show you the calendar here. We have weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship where we get 6 and 7 figure earners to coach us, right? This is a technical call that you can jump on if you need help setting up your system. We have a classroom here full of bonuses. This is a bonus site. When you get the step-by-step blueprint, you get it on a different site. But every 90 days, our millionaire mentor does 90-day runs. We day 84 into our 90-day run here. We're almost finishing. When this is done, there's going to be a bit of a break, and then we're going to move on to the next one, where every day our millionaire mentor sends us a video where she kind of walks us through mindset, skill set to help us stay focused on our business, right? So this is our you get access to all the Zoom, the mentorship calls, the replays, you get access to them here. And we have a content vault where you can download content onto testimonials, webinars, onto your computer, and then upload it onto social media. So what I love about this is that it's training, live interactive coaching and mentorship from a self-made multi-millionaire who has helped thousands of people start to earn money online. She's actually helped 16 South Africans become South African millionaires in rands, and over 60 members of our communities have earned 6 figures. So I love that every week I get live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners, and I'm getting to follow a proven step-by-step blueprint. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. And when you go through the guide, if you have any questions, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.